In this video, we will be showing you how to install one of our double personnel access doors. We recommend unpacking the replacement unit to ensure you are happy before removing the current doors. First, assemble the frame together with the components provided and screw the wind-out lugs into the frame's fixing points. Before removing the existing door, always check that you have all your components and items to install successfully. Then feed the frame into the aperture. In this example, we will be installing it into a wooden aperture for demonstration purposes. Use the wind-out lugs to then fix the frame into place. Be sure to check the levels as you go to ensure a smooth and accurate fit. For this aperture, we will be using the wood screws provided and the washers to prevent them from going all the way through. When installing the doors, it is easier to remove and install the top and bottom hinges from the frame directly to the door leaf first. This allows the door to be fed more easily into the frame on installation. Once the top and bottom hinges are secure, continue with the two center hinges to secure them in place. Next, install the Euro cylinder into the sash lock. Feed the cylinder screw through to fix the cylinder in place. For the escutcheon, ensure the internal and external sides are installed in the correct positions as seen here. In the case of a priority latch on the internal side, ensure the spindle from the priority latch lines up to the mechanism. Affix the spindle and external handle and secure with the screws. Finally, for the threshold, the easy way to determine its positioning as a left or right-handed install is to look for the lip where the door meets the frame. The cup on the left indicates left-handing, while the cup on the right indicates right-handing. For information on our reversible sash locks for double door frames, see our video on universal door handing, or purchase a new handle with the correct handing from lathamsteeldoors.co.uk. Add your grommets, dog bolt caps, and seal to complete your installation.